Hello everyone, Melissa here at TCT Crafts Designs and Decor. I'm so excited for today's tutorial. Let me show you what we're going to be making. So we're going to be making this adorable spring dough bowl arrangement. We're going to be using some of our Real Touch hydrangeas in the green and the white. We're going to be pulling in a little bit of the yellow and the pink camellia roses. So a nice springy arrangement. I think it turned out really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and drop you guys down and we are going to get started. Okay, so we are going to be using this dough bowl. I think it is about, I want to say 8 inches, but let me make sure. No, it's about 9.5, almost 10 inches. So I've already lost it. I just had some gaps and cracks in here. If you don't want to use that, just use floral foam. And I have a bunch of florals already cut up. I originally was doing a candlestick design and I didn't like how it turned out. So I just pulled all the florals out and thought we would just do this little small dough bowl arrangement. I absolutely love doing these. They're probably one of my favorites to do. They're so easy and usually pretty quick. And you can just get all kinds of creative with these floral arrangements. So this is going to be a spring one. Just starting with our little leaf spray. I think it's a Eucalyptus heart spray is what it's called. I could be wrong, but I'll list it down in the description of this video. You'll have all the supplies and I'll tag as many as I can. So just adding these. I have this one kind of up a little bit, this one kind of going down. So this will kind of be the shape I'm going with my greenery there. And I think I'll save these other little pieces. I say that, but I think I'm going to add one more. I'm going to add this one there. Okay, and I'll save these pieces for later. Let's get our florals going. So let's see which ones I want to use. I think we'll do the green. I don't know, I'm waffling. The green or the white? These are our Real Touch or Soft Touch. I don't know if they're called Real Touch or Soft Touch hydrangeas. Okay. I need to probably put another, maybe I can make it work. Okay, I'm going to get that one right in there. I'm going to go on the other side a little taller. Okay, so diagonal. Still trying to keep sort of with the shape. Now, do I want to add the green or not? Got yellow. We're going to get added in here. And some pink. All right, let's add the yellow first. Cut that down. So I'm going to cluster that there, and I'm going to go right on the other side with the other one. Take this other little piece and I think we're going to add it. Yeah, right there. I'm going to take this smaller piece of greenery and get the the guts off of it for that other arrangement where I pulled it out. There we go. Got that out of there. Pretty already. Okay. Trying to see if I want to add our green ones in here low on either side maybe. We're just going with our pink. I think we're going to add it. I'm going to cut it down. I just kind of pulled that greenery through there. Not pretty. Okay, now we're going to go in with our little pink. I think these are called our Camellia. I could be wrong. Like I said, I'll have everything linked because I have the hardest time remembering what all these flowers are. I'm starting to get better the more I work with them. I really started last year working a lot more with florals. I think that's kind of where I really enjoy I really enjoy the florals and the floral range, probably more than I do the wreaths. Now, I do love doing swags, but regular wreaths, I'm just phasing out of them, I guess. It's just not where my heart is, if that makes sense. So I did a pink rose or pink camellia. I think that's what they're called. Camellia up higher, and then we got this one down lower. We're going to just incorporate these in here. I'm going to get one down in the center here. Let me cut this down just a little bit. So if you guys love doing floral arrangements, or you want to learn how to do floral arrangements, you know, check out our designer circle group. We'll be doing a lot more this year. Okay, so I've got those 3. Now we're going to start filling some in towards the back. I got some baby ones too. We're going to pull some in down lower. Let me get a couple of the taller ones. Before I glue, let me see where I want them. Yep, right there is good. Right there. Get another one on this side. Let's see if this one, which one's taller. They're about the same. Okay. So pretty. I'm going to put one in right here on the side. Just like that. And if y'all hear snoring, that's Shelby. She's in here in her little bed underneath my desk, and she's just sawing some logs. She had to come to work with Mom today. She pretty much is down here with me most days. There's a couple times, you know, I'll have her stay at the house, but most of the time she's with me. Okay, I think we're going to add this one. I'm going to cut it down. Sort of breaking that up a little bit. Adding a little bit of that greenery in the center there. Have one more little pink one. So let's get it added. Let's see where I want it. Maybe down at the front. Beautiful. All right, now these little leaves came off of the yellow flowers. Let me see. I'm thinking I may add some of them because they've got a cool little texture to them. They almost look like little lettuce leaves. That's what they look like to me. But I'm thinking we can add a couple in here. Yeah, just give it a nice little texture, different type of texture in there. That one back there. Let's get a couple more. I think we'll go up underneath this. Just up underneath that. So I'm still keeping my line. Another one in the back. Beautiful. I think we'll stop for now with those. We're going to go in now with our oregano stems. Now we do not have these in the shop. So use whatever type of greenery you have. These are going to be primarily a filler and around the bottom. I'm going to try to add a couple pieces like to tie it in. Just so it's not all at the bottom, we'll tie it in. Tie it in the center here. Let's get a smaller piece. This one. So I'm just pulling a few of those pieces there in the center. I did do a bow on the other arrangement that I was going to do. I had this really pretty pink fair silk bow. So let me see if I want to get it added. We could add it down at the bottom. At the tails. Let me see. I don't hate it. Now these scissors, I don't know where I got them, but look how long they are. Like they're really kind of awkward. I mean, they cut good, but I mean, seriously. Okay. Enough with that. Roll up our little tails here. Okay, I kind of like it. We won't glue it in, so we'll put it in there that they can easily remove it, that it's not glued. So if they don't like the bow, they can pull it out. All right, so now we're going to start going in with this around the bottom. We're going to try to start kind of hiding some of our mechanics down there. We'll have a little moss showing probably, but we're going to cover some of it up. So I'm just going to cut these small. So if you have like a pusher bush, a little boxwood or something that you can just kind of put around the bottom, that would work good. I just like the texture, the color of this one. It goes really well with what we're designing. So I'm just going to start putting some of these around the bottom. Just like that. And we'll go kind of all the way around. And then I think we're going to be done. Okay, so here is our beautiful sprig arrangement with yellows and greens and pinks and whites. I think it just turned out beautifully. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Let me show you what we are making over in our designer circle group. So we made this beautiful Easter cross. I think it turned out gorgeous. So if you guys are interested in learning this design, we would love to have you over in the designer circle. If you're new to my page and you enjoy doing floral arrangements and wreaths and swags and all the things, we would love to have you subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and you'll be notified every time we have new tutorials. So until next time, bye y'all.